Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making mini apple pies. You'll need 1 batch of flaky pastry dough, 2.5 cups of diced and peeled apples, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To the diced apples, add the salt, cinnamon, cornstarch, and lemon juice, and mix until all the apples are evenly coated. In a non-stick pan and at medium heat, add the butter and let it melt partially. To that, add the brown sugar and let it absorb almost all the butter. Add the apples and mix so that all apples are coated with the sugar mixture, and continue to stir so that the sugar does not burn. Let it cook for another 3 minutes until the apples are soft but not mushy and the sugar has thickened up enough to look like caramel. Switch off the heat, let them cool down, and then transfer them to a bowl to cool completely. To assemble the pies, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then in a flour surface, roll out your dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut out squares and place them on a baking sheet. We used a squared scallop cookie cutter of 3 inches, and with this size we made 18 mini pies. To each square of dough, add 1 tablespoon of your apple pie filling. Then brush each side with a little bit of egg wash, and then place another square of dough on top and gently seal the edges with a fork. Once all the pies are assembled, brush the tops with egg wash, sprinkle a little bit of white sugar, and cut a small slit on top to allow the steam to escape. Bake for 16 to 18 minutes until they are golden brown and the crust looks nice and flaky. Let them cool in the baking sheet for about 15 minutes and then they're ready to be served and enjoyed. Store them in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!